One of the secrets of Qashqai is the fact it appeals to the European customer. Now, it's not by chance that NTCE is not just in the UK, but is in Spain and Germany. And it's because we need to get this wide perspective of what our customers need and ensure that we develop the vehicles for those driving conditions that we see all the way across Europe. One of the great bits of technology we're going to bring to new Qashqai is Nissan's e-Power. That gives us all of that fun that you get in an EV. You get that instant torque, that very quick acceleration, which makes the car fun to drive, and it does that really quietly.
The heart of the Nissan Qashqai e-Power is the Leaf powertrain. It's basically taking the full-size EV electric motor, which is used to drive the wheels of the car. The vehicle has a smaller battery and a new efficient petrol engine driving a generator that is used to charge the battery. This delivers the excellent response and acceleration that you get out of an electric vehicle.
When we started off with the new generation vehicle, we wanted to set ourselves the ambitious target of really refining and improving the ride of the vehicle, and this meant that we could take advantage of a new platform.
The platform is the backbone of the car, and on the platform we mount the suspension, the engine, the transmission, so it's really key, and we've managed to stiffen it by over 40% on the new model. And what this does is it allows us to have a much more dynamic drive. We've been able to lower the floor and thus increase the luggage space. This also has the advantage of increasing the rear occupant space as well, and by reducing the weight we can then improve the fuel economy and efficiency of the car as well. By making the car compact, easy to live with and fuel efficient, we make the SUV crossover available to a much larger audience.
Qashqai is an icon. And when you have an icon, you don't want to change the formula. So we try not to change this formula, but we're trying to retain it, enhancing it, refining it, and elevating it. Thanks to the new platform, the new proportion, our designers have now been able to propose an even more striking design to our customer. It's far roomier on the inside, but at the same time with more or less the same dimension on the outside. We enhanced the powertrain, now fully electrified. First of all, with the mild hybrid technology, flexible and efficient at the same time and available at launch, but also thanks to the e-Power. For the first time, Qashqai brings together two of Nissan's great strengths, advanced electrification and Nissan global crossover leadership.
We make sure that the systems are not intrusive to the driving, they don't get in the way of the driving, they actually support the driver. So on the new Qashqai, we've enhanced the ProPilot system with something we've called Navigation Link. It uses the data from the map to control the speed of the car. The steering assist is also on the car. Now this keeps the car in the lane so the driver can relax on a long distance drive. In front of the driver, the instrument panel now is covered by a 12-inch full TFT screen with clear, easy to read graphics. On top of that, we've added the head-up display, so it's much easier for the driver to read the information whilst looking ahead down the road. We've now added a wireless charger, also with wireless CarPlay, so all the driver needs to do when they get into the car is place their phone on the charging mat and it will connect automatically.
What we're trying to achieve with connected services at Nissan is to really build a value relationship with the customer so that they can connect to their world around them in a safe and simple way. Secondly, sort of comfort and convenience, being able to know what's happening with your car. Then the security aspect is equally important, and that level of comfort and convenience I think is absolutely key.
From a pure engineering point of view, the first generation Qashqai and the brand new one we're about to launch share the same concept. With thanks to the 3 million sales, now we have a huge database of customers that can really give us all the feedback in order to make evolve all our technology to better meet their needs and their expectations. In the new generation of Qashqai, we're keep on focused not on adding only features and technology just for the sake of it, but really trying to add a technology that are convenient, useful, intuitive, and innovative for our customer. This is the real value behind innovation that excites at the base of our brand.